you doing? How are you on this lovely Sunday evening? I'm Corin. Thanks for joining. In case you haven't seen my other bed making videos, I would like to clue you in on a few things in case you don't know, in case you missed it in my other bed making videos. So let's start with the most important beginning, which is the mattress pad. So you can use any type of mattress pad that you like. Sometimes I just prefer a blanket. It pretty much just protects the mattress from the sheet because the sheet is breathable like any material, and basically any kind of like sweat or anything, it will go through the sheet into the mattress. So I like to use a mattress pad or just a blanket or something. Lately I've been really just using the blanket because sometimes mattress pads are like a pain to try to put on the corners and stuff. All right, so now that we got past that part, let's talk about your pillow. Now I bet you don't know this. And if you do, then please put it in the comments. But your pillow, so this is a beautiful brand new washed pillow. It's not a brand new pillow, but it's just washed. And I use 2 pillowcases. Now, a lot of people ask me, why do you use 2 pillowcases? Why don't you use a pillow protector? I have used pillow protectors, but I found that you have to have just as many pillow protectors as you do pillowcases. So it's just easier to put on 2 pillowcases. Now, keep in mind, I do wash my pillows, and I'm going to give you a very gross reason for that, okay? It's gross, but good. It's good for your health, and it's a gross fact. Okay, now, I bet you a lot of people are going to go run and throw away their pillows or wash them. It depends on how old your pillows are. It may fall apart in the washer. Just so you know, your pillow is a sponge for bacteria and virus. And you may think, oh, Corinne, it's okay. I changed my pillowcase. Actually, it's not okay. I'll tell you why. Remember how I was telling you the sheet breathes? So any material breathes. Even if you have a mask, a fabric mask, or any kind of mask, it still is breathing. That's how you're able to take air in through the material. So with that concept, body fluid, sweat, skin sheddings, saliva, hair oil, all of that is going into your pillow, right through your pillowcase, right through your pillow protector, and voila. So I told somebody this, she was in the medical profession, and she was blown away that she never knew that, and she went home and threw away all her pillows. She's like, oh, I just bought new ones. So that could be done, or you could wash them in hot water. I recommend overseeing them in the washing machine and like push them down in there and make sure they're not just floating to the top and that they're getting all of that, you know, soap and suds. Yes, pillow washing is important. And so also one thing that you need to know, a mattress will get heavier over the years. And that is from, okay, here's another gross fact, but it's all those gross things that I mentioned, body fluids, whatever, they go into your mattress. So even though you have a mattress protector or a blanket underneath your bottom sheet, it is still, your mattress is still absorbing bacteria, okay? Whoa, okay, so we did that. Now let's talk about what do you do in the summer? Do you sleep with a blanket on top of the sheet? I always have to have a blanket to get cozy with. And I'm surprised the cat hasn't come in here yet. So I'm going to try a new blanket that I just got, and it looks kind of light because the other one's been kind of heavy. So if you want to sweat a lot and detox a lot, then you can use a heavier blanket. Okay, let's put this really pretty, just plain, and this is super soft. It's not like that military feel, you know, it's not like it looks. It's a lot softer than what it looks. Okay. So tonight I'm going to try a lighter blanket, and I'll let you know how that goes. Great. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I'm Corin. I'm on Facebook. I'm on YouTube. And I dance and sing on TikTok because you're allowed to. You're allowed to play music over there. So I have a great time. Thanks, guys. Oh, I love all your compliments. Thank you for being here. And I hope I have helped you with some bed making tips to improve your health. And hey, if you do run out and throw away your bedding or even your mattress, don't blame me. No, you can thank me in the comments because you're breathing that in. So that's the main point that I want to make here. So in your pillow, if you haven't washed your pillow in 20 years, all of that dirt is crammed into your pillow right now, even though you have a pillowcase over it. So if that really grosses you out and you need a pillow for tonight, I suggest just take a towel and throw it over your pillow. Not as soft as a pillowcase, but that's until you can get to the store tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribers. I saw a lot of new subscribers. I really love you. I appreciate all of you. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for the stars. Thank you for following me. I love you. And how are you enjoying this stormy weather? Let me know in the comments. Okay, take good care. Mwah.